Queen Victoria School, Year 10 Mathematics, Episode 2. Strand 1, Functions, Substrand, Linear and Quadratic. Study and describe functions and its related concepts. Achievement indicators. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to identify different types of functions and indicate properties of the different type of functions.
Linear functions are those whose graph is a straight line. That is why we call it linear. It comes from the word line. A linear function has the following form: y is equal to a plus bx, or fx is equal to a plus bx. In this case, you will see that y is the same as fx, since they are both equal to a plus bx. There is always a dependent and independent variable. In y is equal to a plus bx, the letter x is independent and the letter y is dependent. This means y depends on the value of x. Letters a and b represents numbers. The general equation of a straight line is written as y is equal to mx plus c. M and c represents numbers. Example, y is equal to 3x plus 1, where the relation is 3x plus 1. X would be the input and y would be the output. In the relation above, y depends on x, where x is to be put in the relation that makes y dependent. That would make x. A graph of a linear function would be a straight line. Example, y is equal to 2x plus 1. If x is independent, that means we will choose our own x values. In this case, our x values is -2, 0, and 2. Then y values would be, if x is -2, the y value given would be -3. If x is equal to 0, the y value given would be y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, the y value given would be y is equal to 5. Then you will form your coordinates that would be -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 5. The graph is shown as plotted below. -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 5. You will see the graph will form a straight line. Note, the highest power in any linear function is 1. If we consider y is equal to 2x plus 1, the power for y is invisible 1 and the power for x is also invisible 1. The highest power will always be 1. The properties of a linear function would be the graph of the function would be a straight line, and second, the highest power in any variable or letter in any linear function would be invisible 1. Activity. Sketch the following linear functions. Y is equal to x minus 2, y is equal to 2x. Give your answers by emailing on the email given in the screen or comment below the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. End of lesson episode 2.